Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing on the set of the Week to Wicked show, where we're just wrapping up our the day for the 55 that we're doing. And what we've got right now, the latest update, is that most of the interior is being mocked up. And this is a beautiful interior done by TMI. Let's just check it out here. Now, we've got some kind of charcoal black and some nice little plaid inserts. Kind of come in a little closer. You can see the center console. They got the power window switch in the center console. We'll kind of move around here to the back, and we've got a nice little setup in here. This is just one example of the fine work that TMI does. They've got everything kind of mocked up in there. We'll kind of pull back. You can see that beautiful molded door panel there. It kind of sets off really nice with the paint scheme we've got going on this car. As you can notice, they tied in a little red stitching there on the door panel to kind of in a little red accent stripe in the plaid pattern. You've got the beautiful padded dash going on in there, and just some really cool stuff that they've got going on in here. And we've had the bumper. We've done a mock-up on the bumper where we got to do a few more tweaks to it, kind of trim the back body to bumper seal to improve the fit on that. And just one of those things, one of those detail items where you're kind of just having to fit items once the car is being put together. So lots of work being done up here at the front. Everybody's kind of winding down for the day. We've been working on the plumbing of the AC unit and the cooling system, getting all the detailed items going on together there. And just a whole lot of stuff going on. Tomorrow's the final day. We're kind of wrapping up day 4 here on Week to Wicked. And stay tuned for tomorrow when we got the final stuff going on, and we have the final reveal. So this is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the set of Week to Wicked. Talk to you soon.